Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tesla glove box button not opening. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Tesla's owner's manual. So let's go ahead and do that. So open up Google, type in Tesla owner's manual and then hit enter. From here, click on owner's manual from tesla.com. And now choose your model. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Model X. And then we need to choose our location. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do English. And now on the left hand side, we can see the owner's manual. From here, click on the storage areas tab. And then we need to click on to interior storage because that's what we're having issues with. And now they're going to give you a rundown on this page how to actually fix this. So have a really good read of this and do what they say. And there's a few more fixes if this doesn't help. So the other fixes are to use the touch screen to open the glove box. So you can go to your Tesla touchscreen, tap controls, glove box. If this works, the issue might be with the physical button. You can also try voice command. So press the voice command button on the steering wheel and say open glove box. If the glove box opens, the button may need a reset or a repair. Also try to reboot the car. So hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns off. Wait for the Tesla logo to appear and then try opening the glove box again. Fix number 4 is power cycle the car. So put the car in park, go to controls, safety and security, power off. Wait up to 3 minutes without touching anything, then press the brake pedal to turn the car back on and test the glove box. Also check for obstructions because if something inside is blocking the glove box, it may not fully open. So gently press on the glove box while pressing the button may work. Also check for software updates. So from here, go to controls, software, and check if there's an update available. Install any pending updates and test again. And the last result is simply contact Tesla support. So if the button is physically stuck or none of these fixes work on this page and what I've said in this video, you can also schedule a service repair or service appointment via the Tesla app.